My friend, we're gonna play Beat It. This was Michael Jackson, wrote, written, composed, and I think for this tune, for this book, it was arranged by Mr. Dan Coates. This book is the 500 greatest songs of all time, Rolling Stones. This came from the Billboard charts. I'm just gonna take you through some chord changes, how I would play it, and have fun with it. In the beginning, we have our key signature. It's E minor, has an E minor, an F sharp diminish, G major is our major 3, minor 4 is A minor, minor 5 is B minor, we have a C major as our 6, D major as our 7, and E minor as our 1. I'm going to show this how to play it up here using maybe like an E minor 7, a D major. Inside of this song we're going to have definitely an E minor. I remember the guitar solo from when I was younger. Has that rhythm. Slow it down. Up it faster. They told him, don't you ever come around here. Don't wanna see your face, you better disappear. C, you fire in your eyes. D, the words are really clear. E minor to the beat it. Back to D, just beat it. You better run, you better do what you can. Don't wanna see no blood, don't wanna be a macho man. You wanna be tough, better do what you can, just beat it. You wanna be bad, just beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. No one wants to defeat, just beat it. Show them how funky, show them how strong. It doesn't matter who's wrong or right, just beat it. Just beat it. Goes all the way back up to the beginning of the song for a secondary verse. Let's try to do it a little faster with a little pizzazz. They're out to get you, better leave while you can. Don't wanna be a boy, you wanna be a man. You wanna stay alive, better do what you can. So beat it, just beat it. You have to show them that you're really not scared. You're playing with a life and this ain't truth or dare. You'll kick them into you and they'll beat you, that's true. Just beat it. But you wanna be bad, just beat it, beat it. No one wants to be defeated. Show them how funky, show them it's right. It doesn't matter who's wrong or right. Second ending, just beat it. Goes over it. And if I remember correctly, it stays in the same key and has a long drawn out guitar solo. So over the top of this, if you are playing a little lead. Hypothetically, I kind of hear melodic minor. Yeah, harmonic minor. So yeah, you're gonna want to probably use your the leading tone right before going into there. So we've got an E flat or a D sharp, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C. We're gonna flatten that. We have our 3 flattened. We have our minor 6 flattened from a major 6, and then rather than playing our minor 7th, try doing your major 7th. 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, major 7, 1. It's going to give you some pretty cool dissonance there, and also you could use it as part of your modal arpeggiated thing if you're doing like a 1, 3, 5. Adds a little bit of more expression over the D. D major over the C. C Lydian, C, D, E, F sharp. It'll help stay within the pocket of E minor because E minor has an F sharp. D major has an F sharp. And C major, although it does not have an F sharp, you definitely can play the mode of Lydian. The telltale sign of Lydian is a sharp 4. Going over this groove, I'm pretty sure after that, it has this... So if we were playing this through the eyes of E, we'd have a E, G, B, G, E, and then maybe a possible ghost note, B. Slide up from your E to your F sharp, E, D. While on that, I hope this helps you in your foundation to beat it. This one is found on page 19 of the 500 greatest songs of all time, Rolling Stones. If you dig this, and I hope you do, thumbs up, put something cool in the comment section. And if you could, maybe put a song that you would like to learn in here or be explained in this fashion. Aloha.